Hello, my dear students. Welcome to Learning Wise, and I'm your host, Kamlesh Sharma. This video is dedicated to Class 6th Microsoft Excel project work, which are mentioned in IT Planet My Bits and Bytes Army Edition. So, here, as you can see, this is the PDF of Class 6th book, and today we are going to go to the last page of this book, and here we are going to solve this project too. Okay, and I'm going to show you how you can step by step solve this entire question, how you can achieve the desired result. Okay, so stay tuned to this video. Here is your IT Planets My Bits and Bytes Army Edition book, and today we are going to cover the project which is mentioned on the last page. So I'm taking you people to the last page, which is the page number 136, so that we can do this project in Excel. So this project says create the following table in MS Excel and do the activities given below. Now here I would like to tell you that this A, B, C and D, these are the column names, while 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, these are the row numbers. Okay, so we have to create this particular table which contains the first row as temperature table showing. Next row will contain temperature in various unit measurements. Then next row, which is the row number 3, it will be blank. Fourth row will have serial numbers Celsius, Fahrenheit and Kelvin. After that, we have serial numbers as 1, 2, 3 and 4, followed by the values of Celsius, means temperature in Celsius, which is 15, 22, 26 and 32. Now, after creating this much of table, we have to do question number 1 and question number 2. Let us see what these questions are all about. Question 1 says, convert the temperature in column B from Celsius to Fahrenheit in column C by using the formula Fahrenheit is equals to 9 upon 5 multiplies Celsius. Okay, so basically what we are going to do, we are going to take the temperature from column B and we are going to write this particular formula in column C, that means here, and then we will find out the value, I mean the temperature in Fahrenheit. Okay, now the best part is even the formula is mentioned in this question, so we need not worry. We just need to focus on writing the formula in the correct format so that we can get the right answer. After that, we will do the question number 2, which says convert the temperature in column B from Celsius to Kelvin in column D by using the formula Kelvin equals to Celsius plus 273.15. So here we will again use the temperature in Celsius and we will calculate the temperature in terms of Kelvin with the help of this formula Celsius plus 273.15. So I hope that I have explained this question well, and now I will take you to my Excel sheet to do this question practically so that you can have the better understanding of the question. See, I have opened my Excel sheet and I'm zooming it a little more so that you can have a better view. Right, now let me just take this question and we are going to type this here. Okay, so here I have to write down temperature table showing. In the next line, we will write temperature in various units measurement. Then temperature in various units measurements. The next row will be blank and then serial number Celsius, Fahrenheit and Kelvin. So here we have serial number Celsius, Fahrenheit and Kelvin. After that, we need to have the 4 entries in this serial numbers. And then we have Celsius as 15, 22, 26 and 32. 15, 26, 22 and 32. Yeah. No, I think I had to do this. Here it was 22 and here it was 26. Now, if you observe this a little more, closely, you will get to see that everything has been kept in the center, and these two rows have been, these are merged in center. So let us apply all these formattings and then we will do the calculations. So here I am going to select the cell from A1 to D1, and then I will choose merge in center. Similarly, I will select all these cells and then I will choose merge in center here. Now, these have been kept in the center, so I'm selecting this entire area and I'm choosing it center alignment, and then you can increase the width of the cell if you wish to. I'm choosing to increase the width. Now everything has the font blue. If you look carefully, everything is in blue font, so I'm going to have the blue font here. So here we are. I have selected this entire area, and then I'm going to this, and here let us have this, let us keep it a little dark blue. Okay, and I'm making it bold also, right? So here your table is ready with, yeah, one more thing is there. We are going to have the all borders, and in the border I will have the color as blue. Okay, and then I'm going to choose the border. One more thing, I want to have it a thick border, so I am going to have the line style as this one, a little thicker one. Okay, now this way I'm choosing my uh, okay, let us rather have this and choose all borders. This is a better idea. Now see, we are done with all the formattings, and now I'm going to go to the actual part of the question, which is finding the Fahrenheit and then finding the Kelvin. So let's do the first part, which says convert the temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit using the formula 9 upon 5 into Celsius. So click on the cell, write down equal to 9 upon. Okay, upon is the symbol which is on your keyboard just to the left of shift key. Okay, so this slash is basically the upon here. So 9 slash 5, then multiply symbol is basically the asterisk symbol, which you can make with the help of shift and 8. And after writing this, you have to select the temperature in Celsius, which is this cell, which is your B5 cell. So click on this B5 and that's it. Okay, you can cross check the formula once again. I'm keeping it here. The formula for Fahrenheit is 9 divided by 5 into Celsius. So we have written the correct formula. We have even taken the Celsius value, which is the value stored in B5. Now after we are done with this, we have to press the enter key, and here we get the answer in Fahrenheit. Okay, so 15 degrees Celsius is equivalent to 27 Fahrenheit. Now here, after you have calculated one value, no need to repeat the same for the rest of the values. Simply select this cell, come to the right edge, and when your cursor changes into the fine plus sign, drag it. That means we are using the autofill feature. I hope you all remember. In case you are not clear about the autofill feature, I will pin the video in the description box. Go and watch that. Coming to the B part, which is the finding the Kelvin. And how we will find the Kelvin? We will convert the Kelvin temperature from Celsius to Kelvin using this formula. Celsius plus 273.15 is equivalent to Kelvin. So let us write this here. Okay, this is the first cell. So I will put the equal to sign and then Celsius, then plus. See what I have done. I wrote the equal to sign and then because it was written Celsius. Where is my Celsius? Celsius is basically this cell which is the B5. So I am choosing this B5 here. Okay, then use the plus sign and then write down the value 273.15. Okay, let us cross check. Yes, 273.15 is the value. Now, after doing this much, press the enter key and the value will come in front of you. Okay, so the 15 degrees Celsius is equivalent to 288.15 Kelvin. Now, once you have find out the value for one cell, use the autofill feature to fill up the subsequent entries. And here we go. You can see that we have done the question. We have the values, the temperature values in Celsius and their equivalent values in Fahrenheit and Kelvin. I hope you would have understood the question well. And in case of any doubt, please feel free to write your comments and ask me. I will definitely answer your queries. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and take care and keep learning.